Inside this modern facility, carefully selected Brahman hides begin a precise transformation.
The water pressure seems a bit low over here.
Coloring,
yeah, I just checked the readout. It's holding steady at 50
is gradually
psi now.
refined into premium leather, ready for luxury manufacturing.
Okay, bring it down slowly.
Got it. Watch your feet.
Yeah, it's sliding well.
Make sure the edges are straight. It is coming through nicely now.
This hide is particularly smooth, isn't it? Yes, the texture is perfect for the new sofas. Just a little more on this corner.
We track the material closely here. The rollers ensure the cognac finish is uniform, resulting in this beautiful, sophisticated look you see now.
The softness on this batch is exceptional, really supple.
Agreed. The grain consistency is perfect under the light.
Right here, this should pass inspection.
Perfect. I've logged the usable area.
Make sure the tension is set right for this hide. Yeah, I just calibrated it. The cognac is moving fast today. We need another stack of soles over here. This section here has good grain, but watch out for that scar near the edge. We can cut the vamp here.
Move that vamp pattern slightly to the left. We can fit another quarter here.
Selected cognac leather now enters the footwear workshop. Precision cutting shapes each component. Skilled workers stitch and form the upper. And careful lasting sole assembly, polishing, and finishing gradually create a refined pair of LUXEN leather shoes.
Did the last batch of soles arrive yet?
No, they're still stuck in customs, I think.
That leather is looking really good. Yeah, the new machine helps a lot.
Make sure these soles match the cognac leather exactly. I already checked the color codes, they're perfect. Hey, make sure the cognac ones go to station 3 next. Check the stitching here. Looks good, almost done with this pair. Hey, check the grain on this one. Yeah. Looks excellent, send it through. The flex point seems a little tight here on the instep.
I agree, but the arch support feels excellent.
The finish on this batch is superb. Yeah.
Yes, they look perfect for the shipment tomorrow.
Another pair of the cognac ones ready. Oh, they look great. Nice work.
Another LUXEN box ready.
Good, the printer is keeping up well today. How is the stitching coming along on the cognac?
Almost done with this row. The machine is running smooth.
Yeah.
We need more lining material over here.
Rich, dark cognac leather then moves into the accessories workshop. Precisely cut panels,
The
two
alignment on
spacious
this
compartments,
batch is critical.
fine
What, yeah,
stitching,
critical.
dark
Yes,
chocolate
making sure
finished
the edges are
and
perfectly
dark
flush.
gunmetal hardware come together to create the premium LUXEN long wallet.
This leather feels wonderful. Making sure the alignment is exact before we move to the next step.
Two-compartmentally, stitching is tight. This batch is looking excellent.